we have done this challenge. Shortlist our skill or your skill and niches. Create your offer. Update your social media profile. And fourth is pitch to 5+ people. Prepared for prospect call. Well done. It has been our productive week and I'm sure you will use this progress to make others week of this year much more meaningful. As we count down the final 3 days of the sprint, let's get the next challenge. Challenge number 8. Reflect and sign. In the past few days, you have hopefully pitched at least 5 people. Maybe you have already heard back from them. Maybe you haven't. Either way, I am certain that you have thought about your offer multiple times. You may have doubted your offer, wondered how to make it more valuable. Consider rewriting how you present it or being happy with the offer you have overcome with. No matter how you feel about your offer, I want you to spend some time to reflect on it. You see, reflection allows you to view your past work in a new light and refine it. For example, think about a time when you wrote an article or a design an image. You really like it when you create it. Then you went to bed, woke up in the morning and spot 10 things that could have been done better in your work. That's form of reflection, allowing you to assess your past work, look at it with a fresh perspective and improve upon it. Today, do this with your offer. Here's what you should consider in your reflection. Number 1. What do you like about your offer? Number 2. What are you uncertain about your offer? And number 3. How can you improve your offer? This reflection is your framework for creating a better offer. Now use these 3 mini tasks to create a better offer. Number 1. Reframe your offer. Revisit the offer you sent to your prospect. What can you edit? Number 2. Use relevant words in your offer. Every prospect is anticipated by certain words that they can relate it to. Find those words and use them while writing your offer. How do you find those words? Number 1. Reflect to word your prospect use in your message call with them. Number 2. Refer to the word used in other similar offer. Number 3. Define your work terms. Your work terms are meant to be discussed over the call. These are not meant to be used in your initial outreach to prospect, but are incredibly important for the work you will be doing with them. Here are 4 things I recommended you to focus on. Add anything else as required according to you. Process of working. How do you work with your client? What app software do you use? How much time do you need for the task? Make a broad outline of the process of your work. This may slightly vary based on the task itself. Number 2. Work hours. Clearly mention your availability in terms of days, time and time zone. For example, Monday, Friday 10 am, 5 pm IST. Edit revisions. How many rounds of edit do you offer your client? Payment. What payment option does the client have? Bank transfer, PayPal, UPI transfer, etc. How much percent should be paid in advance and when should the remaining amount be paid? Note, I recommended charging minimum 50% in advance. It's important to note that your offer and work term will become much clearer and solid with time. Keep reflecting on them based on your experience and improve them to suit your work. Now time to reflect and sign. And of course, you know the drill. Reply to this video and tell me how your reflection went and how you improve your offer. Good luck and see you tomorrow. Thank you.